Welcome back to another unboxing video. Here is our brand new mid-drive motor, the VSM01. What kind of upgrades are we introducing this time? Let's dive in. Here it is, the VSM01 retail package. Here we go. Let's take out the VSM01 mid-drive motor. The VSM01 is the very first model in Varstrom's VSM mid-drive series, featuring a clean and compact black design, consistent with Varstrom's product language. The motor is rated at 750 watt, and with its torque sensor plus cadence compensation support system, it achieves a smaller pedal start angle, delivering a ride that feels more natural and responsive. This is a motor focused on riding experience, built for a more connected feeling one with the Ebike movement style. Now let's look at the included accessories. Inside the box you'll find a 44T sprocket with cover, 170mm crank arms, a lock nut kit, a speed sensor, a 1.8-inch DZ41 LCD display. Due to the private CAN protocol of the VSM01, this motor currently works only with this display. More compatible CAN models such as the EKD01 series will be released in the future. The 1T4 cable harness includes 2 cutoff connectors for brake levers, a throttle connector, a headlight connector, and finally, the 1T4 motor connector. Moving on to the motor details. There are 4 cable exits on the VSM01. The 1T4 harness connector, the speed sensor connector, the display connector, and the power connector for the battery. Batteries are sold separately. The VSM01 supports 36 volts and 48 volts battery systems. When using 36 volts, simply set the voltage level to 36 volts in the display settings. Alongside today's release, we are also launching a new compatible battery, the high-yield battery, which we will cover in an upcoming video. As for dimensions, the VSM01 measures 199mm in length, 120mm in height, and 163mm in width, with a total weight of 4 kilograms. The bottom bracket area supports 68mm width and 33mm diameter. With the provided spacers in the lockering kit, the system is compatible with 68 to 73mm BB widths, is greater than or equal to 33.5mm inner diameter, and up to 11mm maximum BB thickness. The motor also features a frame protection anti-wobble spacer to prevent brake hoses, shifter cables, or hydraulic lines from being crushed or deformed by the motor body. VSM01 also features a major technical upgrade, Hall recovery mode. Should a Hall sensor fault occur, the system will automatically engage sensorless mode, preventing you from being stranded mid-ride and ensuring every journey reaches its destination safely. To sum up, the VSM01 is the first model in Varstrom's VSM mid-drive series. It uses a torque plus cadence compensated assist strategy with tighter pawl engagement for smaller start angles, and supports both Hall and sensorless operation modes for a more reliable riding experience. Compatible with both 36 volts and 48 volt systems. The included DZ41 LCD display supports the VSM01 CAN protocol and fits 22.2mm handlebars, offering multiple ways to interact with the system. Now let's do a simple operation demo on the display. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. The screen will first show all icons, then enter the basic interface. Press the plus button to increase the assist level and change the assist mode. The display starts at level 0, no assist, by default, and goes up to level 5. Press the minus button to decrease the assist level. On the basic interface, just tap the M button to cycle through trip distance, average speed, max speed, and total distance. Hold the plus button to switch the lights on or off. Hold the minus button to enable power pushing mode, which helps you push the bike more easily. We'll cover more detailed display testing and operation in another video. Knock knock. Good news. On Varstrom.com, you can use the 2026 discount code, VAR5%, for 5% off. We'll continue to share updates and insights about the VSM01 and the DZ41 LCD display here on the Varstrom channel. So please like, save, and subscribe. Your support truly motivates us. You're also invited to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and join the discussion with our community. Want to learn more about the Varstrom? Simply Google Varstrom to explore further.